ExtraaEdge has automated the process. For instance, everything, and we don't have to manually enter. Now, since we are getting the leads and we know that which is the primary source, so it's very easy for us to manage that. First thing. Secondly, when the Yes, hi, I'm Aditya Chaturvedi and I'm presently working as the IT head for Sai Nath University. Sai Nath University was established in 2016 with a goal to provide education to students locally in Jharkhand itself so that the migration of the students can be stopped. We provide multidisciplinary education such as BA, B.Ed, BSc, B.Ed, Law, then BCA, BBA, Engineering. Apart from that, we have various other nursing courses, pharmaceutical courses. So we are providing educational courses in various aspects, various fields. Before ExtraaEdge, we used to manage our admissions mainly through Excel. Like the consultants or the sources from which we were getting the admissions that were logged into Excel sheets, and then it was very hectic thing for us to keep a track that which source was providing us how much returns. So that was a very hectic process, and like we were very uncomfortable using that. Yes, see, ExtraaEdge has automated the process. For instance, the leads automatically get logged into the ExtraaEdge platform or the CRM, and we don't have to keep track of everything, and we don't have to manually enter it into our spreadsheet. So whenever we want, we can just filter the leads on the basis of source, and so it's very easy for us to find which source is returning how much, like what's the value of the source. Yes, majorly see, suppose a student inquires with us, so if we respond immediately, whether it's an automated message or a manual message, but if we respond automatically or very immediately, so that gives a positive impact, and ExtraaEdge has helped us into that whenever the lead is logged into the system, a mail is automatically sent to the student, so the student feels that yes, I am getting a response, and apart from that, based on the type of lead or the state of the lead, the system automatically keeps on sending them follow-up emails. So that is very good for us, that we don't have to manually keep on working on the on every lead. All right. See, previously, as I told you, we basically see there is an incentive scheme also for admissions since we are emerging university. So prior to using this software, we had to, the payout to various sources was very, troublesome process, because to determine that which source was to be paid how much, it wasn't very sure. But now, since we are getting the leads and we know that which is the primary source, so it's very easy for us to manage that, first thing. Secondly, when the admission, like the onboarding process, when the admission comes on, so we already have the details of the students, so we don't have to enter every field manually. So that is also one of the things. Thirdly, that the CRM and our ERP system are going to be merged, or through API. So even that way, the lead, when it turns into admission, so it will be automatically pushed into our ERP system. So that is great for us. Yeah, top 3 reasons. First one is support. Obviously, whenever we have needed some technical support, so Neil has already been there. Whenever we have needed some other support, so the marketing team has been there, first thing. Secondly, yes, the quality is good. Thirdly, I like one feature especially, that like our users, they're not forced to use their computers. Rather, they can just download the app, and they can even, contact the students or the leads through their smartphones. So we don't have to invest a lot into the infrastructure. That is also a great point for us. Yes, Raj has been doing great. He has visited us 5 to 6 times, I guess, and he is a very persistent man. So I wish him all the best, and he will be successful, obviously, because he is persistent and marketing needs that. Apart from that, Neil has been there whenever we have needed him, and being into this field, after sales service is very important. So even after sales, after the MOU was signed, Neil has been supportive, and whenever we have needed it, any type of technical support, he has been there. So again, kudos to both of them.